Welcome to our guide on mastering gateio security. Let's explore 5 essential tips for protecting your digital assets. First, create strong, unique passwords. This is your account's primary defense against unauthorized access. Next, use gateio's exclusive bind IP feature to prevent unauthorized network access to your account. Implement a separate fund password for enhanced transaction security, adding an extra layer of protection. Enable two-factor authentication for multi-layered account protection, significantly reducing unauthorized access risks. Activate the anti-phishing code to safeguard against email fraud, a common tactic used by cybercriminals. Gateio uses a Merkle tree scheme for asset verification and undergoes third-party auditing for added security. Remember, your vigilance is crucial. Stay informed about evolving security practices to protect your assets. Take action now. Implement these security measures to create a robust shield for your gateio account. Are ready to secure your crypto? Click below to create your gateio account now.